The last kiddo holding that wig will be out of the game. Kung puno ang music, ang pinaka-last na bata ang kupot ani or nag-wear o nagsuot sa clown na wig will be out of the game. Players, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, this will be the sample round. In every game, there should be what we call a sample round. Ready? Play the music with a sample round. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and here we go. Okay, kung so, siya ng connect, pasensya tayo. Alright, pass the week, play the music. Everybody, alright. Let's keep going, kids. This will be the sample round. Alright. Alright. No, ayoko, don't do ayoko ilabay, just wear it. Everybody gets to the sample round. The wheels on the bus go round. Pass the week. Don't worry, I think that was only a sample round. So players, are you ready for the proper game? Are you ready? Are you ready? Alright, let's have the proper game. Ready? Play the music. Let's continue. So we go. Everybody pass, go. Let's get moving, please pass the wheel. Let's get moving. Just wear and pass to wear and pass. Thank you so much, Annie. Now take your seat. Ready? Play the music. Let's continue with another game. With another music. Everybody play the music. Alright. Just keep moving. That's my point too. Wear and pass. Are you don't skip? Thank you so much. You're the last kiddo holding the wig. I'm so sorry. Thank you, Anne. Let's play the music. Let's continue another song. Ready? 1, 2, and play the music. Wear and pass, wear and pass. Alright. Just keep moving, kids. Just pass it to you. Just keep moving. Who's the last kiddo holding the wheel? Our birthday boy? You? I'm so sorry, Landa. You are out of the game. Ready? Play the music. Let's continue another song. Ready? 1, 2, and... Hey! Pass, go. Wear and pass. Wear and pass. Should we get fair? Thank you so much for moving on to the last 3 rounds. Ready? Another song. Ready? 1, 2, and... We have the slow music. What's wrong?
Si Alex naman.
Thank you so much for your voices. Okay, we are moving on to the last two rounds. Ready? Let's continue. Play the music. Justin, move it here. Hola, keep coming. Where it has, where it has. Hola, keep moving. Where it has, where it has. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much. Moving on to our last round. So what I'm using that? Hey, bro. You know, bro. Okay, just face to face each other. So I'll be singing the song. No more music and when I'm music stop, kung mag-hunong ko sing, that's the time the last kid of holding the wig will be out of the game. Play the music. Ready, 1, 2, and go. Tong 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 pakitong pitong alimango. Tong 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 pakitong tong 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 pakitong tong 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 pakitong kitong alimango sa dagat malaki at masarap. It's the last kid of holding the wig. Kunsa magyud. Kunsa. Okay, pwede natin yung ibigay na the winner, but still, you have your consolation prize. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to Kuya Butchok. Your name is Kuya? Kuya Julian, aka Kuya Butchok. Let's give a round of applause, please. You will claim your prize up there. So Kuya Nathan niyo, just get to also one. O siya. Good. Ma'am Gina, di pa rin Ma'am Gina. Di pa rin na kanina, okay? At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, so shall we continue another game, ma'am? Okay? This game is for everybody. I think most of you is familiar with the Walt Disney movie. Okay, I mean, raise your hand, kids.